I had a question about finding a spreadsheet that you could use for this class. Now, many of you may have access to Microsoft or Apple's version of their spreadsheets. However, if you do not, Google has one that you can use. You're going to have a Google account. So they call this the waffle. Right here, it kind of looks like a tic-tac-toe board a little bit, but they call it a waffle. And when you click on it, it has all these options. Sometimes it appears here, just depends on how much you use Google. But if you hit more, there's one called Docs for Documents. So when you click this, it'll ask you to log in. So if you notice, I have a lot of logins for different jobs and different things. Or you can add an account and or create an account. So let's go ahead and I'm going to use my school email. And when you sign in, it'll give you a list of documents that you can use here. And then if you have to create an account, after you create an account, it should show you this same screen. And then if you click up here, this menu option here, you can change it to Sheets or Spreadsheets. So when I change it to Sheets, I'll get a new list of things to do. And then I can hit this little plus sign here. And then now I have a spreadsheet, just like you saw in my video earlier. Looks very identical to it. Notice there's a title up here. You have to name it. This is Life Plan 1, I believe. Underscore, and then put your name. And then you begin with your income and your expenses. Make sure that this is 5 years from the future. From now, so you plan to have more cars or a house or whatever, make sure you incorporate that as well. And don't forget to put tithing in there too. When you finish this one's a little differently. They have a share option. You can also save it, so you can make a copy here, or download as. This is what you'd need to do. So if once you're done here, so if we had our income, let's say it's $500. Let's say we on our expenses, and let's say we just have all our expenses here. Here, and then we add them up. Now this isn't really true. You wouldn't actually have this little of expenses, but when you're all done with your spreadsheet here, then you're going to hit download as a Microsoft Excel sheet. So you're going to click that one. And then this file you're going to submit to me on the website. So if you click here, it says show in folder, and then it'll pull it up in your downloads folder, and then you need to make sure you put that and submit it into iLearn 3. Now if you're having trouble with that, just ask, and then I'll just make another video. Notice it says untitled spreadsheet. Again, if you change this and then do it again, so I change my title and then I download as Microsoft Excel sheet, and then notice it changes the name to what I want it to. Hopefully this helps you with getting access to a spreadsheet for free.